WEVF, Colebrook, 90.3.
And WE.
Drink, Sophie.
Oh my god.
I can't believe you
Look at our tears.
No, I don't know why I'm participating in this.
Oh my god.
You know what, girls? Alexander was pretty impressive because he didn't spit any of it out.
Yeah, he did.
Very
He
well.
didn't take as much as I did.
Doesn't matter, you spit most of it out. He didn't.
Swallow it.
He's offering you water, honey. Sophie, take it.
I have water.
That was sweet of you, Alexander.
Washington, I'm Laurel Hall. For Whitney Houston is
You
getting
to
under
that.
town of North New Jersey.